Hi, I'm Alice, the gardener here at Rushmore Hill, and today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about our plants of interest for March. So I'm going to be telling you a little bit about some pittosporums and euphorbias today, but as you can see at the moment I'm absolutely surrounded by these pittosporums. They come in lots of different colours. We've got a lovely green one here and we've got a nice red one here as well, which is called Tom Thumb. They come in lots of colours, lots of sizes, so they're perfect for any garden. You can put them in a container or you can put them straight into the ground. So if you'd like to come with me, we'll have a look at these lovely plants in situ here at Coolings. This pittosporum is called Irene Patterson and it is an AGM plant. This is awarded by the RHS for plants of great quality. They're really consistent in terms of their colour. As you can see, we've got a variegated variety here, but they're also really pest and disease resistant. So this is a really great option for your garden. So we've got a nice Tom Thumb plant here, and that really nice deep red colour is a great contrast compared to this Formium we have on the other side. So this plant hasn't been maintained in that ball shape quite as much, but that's the really great thing about pittosporums. You can train them as much or as little as you like. So I'm here with these beautiful euphorbias. These are really great plants to buy in March. So I'm going to make sure I've got my gloves on. Euphorbias are really good plants, but you do need to be careful when you're planting or when you're pruning them. They do have quite an irritating sap, so make sure you've got your gloves. These plants are really good for drought tolerant areas. They're evergreen, but you can get deciduous varieties as well. Because they've got these nice bracts, they provide lots of colour for long periods throughout the year, and pollinators love them as well. Our bees and our butterflies really like these plants, so they're a great option for your garden.